Here's how to delete your Spotify account. Now, I'm on my iPhone or Android or even a computer. If you wanted to delete your account, unfortunately, you cannot do it in the app. So you need to hop out of the app on any phone and open up a web browser. On my iPhone, I'm going to open up Safari, and on Android, I'm going to open up Google Chrome. From here, let's go directly to Spotify.com. So you need to type in Spotify.com and hit go. Make sure you don't type in Spotify to Google and just search for it, because it'll bring you over to the app where you can't delete your account. On Chrome, again, I'm just going to type in Spotify and go directly to Spotify.com. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then tap on Login at the top. And just in my case, I'm going to use my Face ID to log in, and then just enter in the password here. Again, on Android, I can do the same thing and hit continue. And I'm just going to hit use a password to log in and tap login. Now, after you've done that, it works the exact same in Chrome or Safari. Tap on the gear icon at the top right, and then tap on View Account at the top. Next, you'll be able to see your plan if you're paying for Spotify Premium. Scroll down from here and tap on Close Account at the bottom. It will walk you through what this does. It says to close your Spotify Premium or free account, it'll delete all of your data. If you're ready to go to delete your account, just tap close your account. It says after you close, we will email you a link you can use to reactivate within 7 days. After those 7 days, your account cannot be reactivated, and at that point will be permanently deleted. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.